But yeah. It's recording.
You record?
Yeah. You can't see much, just the tree line right now.
Yeah. You gonna grab his other camera now?
Yeah, he's gonna grab his other camera, set it up, and light it, and then run the hell back here.
What's only 10 to?
If that doesn't come by, they're gonna get a free show.
Yeah.
We should charge them those $2 for a $30 firecracker.
Yeah, I know. So we going from here and going home?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we go back.
You want to play more cards?
Sure, probably. I'll see if Ken wants to stick around. And I don't know if he wants to stick around. He might just be heading out.
Yeah. You know me, I got at least the last bus home anyway.
Yeah.
I feel like walking home.
No.
Well, what?
Yeah. So where's your next apartment going to be? You know yet? Or?
What?
Your next apartment? Do you know where it's going to be?
No, not yet. Whenever one comes up, I got 3 choices.
Yeah.
They gave you 3 choices. After the second choice they gave you, if you turn it down, the third one comes up, you have to take it.
Yeah.
Hopefully I get one like it's right off the bat that I don't have to worry about declining it. Just take it right away.
Yeah.
Whoa, you like went off right away. Yeah, it's good. You catch it anyway, right?
It's doing good, it's doing good. That's a good one.
Yeah, I know. Well, there we go.
Did you hear the girls at the drug clinic there? That sucks.